Have you ever wondered if AI could create a full movie scene with voice, emotions, and camera movement all in one click? What if you didn't need actors, microphones, or editing skills, and AI did everything together? Today, I'm going to show you VidU.com and its powerful new model called Vidu Q3, which creates video and sound at the same time, perfectly in sync. And later, I'll also quickly show Vidu Q2 Pro for reference-based videos. In the latest rankings released by AI benchmarking authority Artificial Analysis, Vidu Q3 ranked number 1 in China and number 2 globally. The model outperformed Runway Gen 4.5, Google Veo 3.1, and OpenAI Sora 2, positioning Vidu among the world's top-tier video generation platforms. You can find the link in the description. Just sign up and you'll reach the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a toolbar with options like image to video, text to video, and reference to video. The exciting news is that Vidu Q3 is now available for both the image to video and text to video features. To try it out, I'll click on image to video. Here, you can see the Q3 model is available, which comes with multi-shot audio and video sync. This means you can now add multiple angles and synchronized audio to your videos. First, I'll select the Q3 model, upload my image, and set the duration to 16 seconds. Next, I'll enter the prompt, choose the resolution at 1080p and set the encoding. Finally, I'll select the number of outputs I want and hit the generate button. The processing will start, so we'll wait patiently.
Why does life feel so hard sometimes?
This is the power of the Vidu Q3 model. You can see, the boy is moving naturally. The emotional voice sounds real. No editing. This is what makes Vidu Q3 special. Sound and visuals in perfect sync. Next, I'll upload one more image. This time, I'll choose a picture of a girl holding a juice bottle. Then, I'll set the time to 16 seconds. After that, I'll type the prompt. A confident girl drinking juice, smiling and saying it's fresh and tasty, then walking confidently. Choose the Q3 model, pick the resolution, set the number of outputs, and click the generate button. It will start processing, so wait patiently. Once it's finished, let's play the video.
It's fresh and tasty.
As you can see, it's very simple. Vidu Q3 is the best and most professional way to create videos using video with audio and visuals. Now let me show you something amazing. This time, I use text to video. Here's my prompt. A conversation scene in a cafe. Start with a wide shot showing two people sitting. Then switch to a close-up of the girl speaking. Then switch to a close-up of the boy replying. Natural voice, emotional tone, cinematic style. Now I select Vidu Q3 and click Generate. The AI creates wide shot to close up all in one video.
I just don't understand why things have to be so complicated all the time. It feels like we're always walking on eggshells. But maybe it's just a phase, you know?
Look, you get this like I'd always do. I know it fit, you know. Looking through this, like, what do I do?
No clip joining, no editing. This is full multi-shot camera control made by AI. Quick look at Vidu Q2 Pro supporting feature. Here, you can upload up to 6 references, 4 images, 2 videos. You can control check marks, characters, style, scene look, even camera motion. For example, I upload my reference images and videos. Then I select Vidu Q2 Pro and click Generate. The AI follows the references very accurately. This is perfect when you want.
Ah, this is the life. Just me, my chair, and the undisputed king of this entire operation.
Same character again and again, same video style, extended scenes, simple workflow. Make sure you watch these final videos in full screen. You can clearly see perfect voice and lip sync, smooth camera movement, cinematic quality. Right now, this promotion is also part of the 100 points reward task, so make sure to join using my invite link if you want to try this powerful AI yourself. Use my invite code for bonus credits and early access. YouTube users, link is in the description. TikTok and Instagram, link in bio. Don't miss the chance to create movies with AI. That's it for today. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.